You another tailgate unboxing. Another amazing rifle I've just picked up from Browning. This is a Sirius elk gun that I've purchased. Let's see what it is. I have picked up an X-Bolt Pro and 300 Win Mag. 26-inch barrel, so it's a long barrel. Should really get out there and reach, and it's extremely light for the size of the gun it is. Took out the bolt. They call this burnt bronze. Obviously comes with a detachable magazine. Again, it's in 300 Win Mag. And now the next step will be to figure out what scope to put on this gun. Right now I'm kind of leaning towards the Vortex, what's it? HTL, or LTH, or something like that. It is going to be an HD. I'm probably looking at 42 millimeters, but it's supposed to be a light scope for this gun. Anyway, that's kind of what I'm looking towards getting. Anyway, I'm excited about having this new gun. Take care. Bye.